everyone, welcome back to another App IQ video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your notifications. So your starting point is always your profiles page. We're going to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, then head on over to settings and privacy. We're going to tap on privacy, and below we have two categories. We have discoverability and we have interactions. In the interactions section, we're going to tap on comments, and we can adjust who we want to allow comments from. It's already set to everyone, but you can also switch from friends or to no one. Once you tap on no one, anyone who comments on your post, you won't be getting any notifications. Going back to the privacy page, we're now going to tap on mentions. Once you click on that, you can also adjust who we want to allow mentions from, and we can switch between people you know, your friends, or no one. Again, once you turn this off, you won't be getting any messages, any notifications that someone had mentioned you here on TikTok. Going back to privacy and staying under interactions, we're going to tap on direct messages. We're going to select permission settings, and this is to adjust who can send you messages. So for potential connections, you can either choose for it to be a request or you do not receive messages. Going back and clicking on others on TikTok, you can also do the same. You can leave it as a request or do not receive. So adjusting all of these options here will keep your notifications from TikTok very quiet. But if you want to keep the app super quiet and not receive any notifications, we can go to our phone's settings, scroll until you see apps, and in the search bar, just to make this go by super quickly, we're going to type in TikTok. Once that comes up, look for notifications, and to stop all notifications from coming in from TikTok, simply toggle this off and you won't be getting any notifications at all from TikTok. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.